There's nothing more important to me in my job or my role to make sure that all my drivers get home safe every single day. Motive allows us to focus on 19 very specific behaviors that directly correlate with the SMS mythology and the 7 basics, which is what regulators hold trucking companies and drivers to. So before accidents happen, before safety events happen, we're able to stop those incidents from happening at a very high rate. And so we've seen a direct correlation, about 89% reduction in events in less than a year time frame, which is really remarkable. And we've seen a 92% reduction on just those 4 characteristics. That's cell phones, distracted driving, seatbelts, and speed. It's where the rubber meets the road. Are you having less accidents or more accidents? And are those accidents happening in the same categories or not? You have these very key characteristics of each accident. And so that is what we focus on. We focus on those characteristics. And so you see approximately a 70% reduction in the loss runs year over year in those areas. So initially we focused on safety because that's the premise of Motive. But I think the way Motive develops lifelong customers is that Motive is so much more than just a telematic device. Motive is able to allow you to focus on how you pay your drivers, hours of service, when the truck starts, when the truck stops. It allows you to take care of your drivers. Did your driver have a lunch break or did they not? It allows you to focus on utilization of your assets and determine ROI for replenishment cycles. There's really unlimited ways that you could use the data. And so all of those key components of Motive allows an operation to become more mature. Get out of the storming phase of a business and get to let's make some money and let's do it really safe.